Welcome to the testing world. Previously we have seen how we can create test suites collection, and how we can execute them. But till now, whenever we are going for execution, after execution we are not checking reports. Means how many test cases are passed, how many are failed. So we should go for the reports. So whenever we are executing either test suite or test suite collection, in both cases we are going to get report which we can see after execution. How we can go for that? So first of all, I'm just moving to Katalon Studio, and previously we have created many test cases, test suites. So as of now I have one test suite here, and I'm going to execute that. So my test suite is opened here. I just go and that's my run button. As we execute any test suite, it's going to execute all the test cases which are present in this test suite. So let it execute, and then I'll show you report. So it's executing first test case of the test suite. As of now we have 3 test cases in this test suite. Going for second test case, done. Now moving to the third test case. Once execution is completed, so here execution is completed. Here in this remote section, you'll get the folder smoke, because we have smoke folder here. Inside that we are getting this report. But how I can see this report? So for that I just right click on this. We have the option of export. So here it is giving 4 options for the export: HTML, PDF, JNet and CSV format. So first of all I'm going for the HTML. I just convert to the HTML, and where you want to save it. So I want to save it in my desktop. On the desktop I want to save it in a folder API with the name Katalon Report. Whatever the name you want to give, you can give it over there. And a test report, or I'll say HTML format report, is generated, saved and opened here. So if you check it here, it shows that's a test suite. Here inside the test suite we have 3 test cases, and that's the status of these test cases. And if you want to check detail of these test cases, just go and you can find out each and every step here. So we have created HTML report. Now I'm moving to other kind of report. So I'm just coming here, export, and I'm going for the PDF. So I just click on the PDF where you want to save it. So again I'm going for the API. I'm saying Katalon PDF report. I've just given this name. It is exporting report to the PDF format. It will take some time, depends on how many test cases you executed in the last execution. Once it is done, it created that report and open here as well. So if we check it here, it shows total we have 3 test cases, 3 are passed, nothing is failed. And if you want to go for each and every test case, you can get the information of that. So that's a detailed report in PDF format. So second type of report we have seen, that's a PDF formatted, and previously we have seen HTML formatted. Now I'm coming to third kind of report, which is JUnit type of report. So again, where you want to save it? So I just want to save it in the API, and I'm saying Katalon JUnit, whatever the name you want to give. It will generate JUnit type of report, and if you check it here, I'm saying date modify JUnit report.xml. So that's the third report which is generated. It's an XML formatted report. And the last is you can export into the CSV format, either summary or detail. So I'm going for the detail. Again, I'm saving here and I'm saying CSV. So now data of this report will be exported as a CSV. And that's a complete information about test suite, test case, execution time, status. So here we have seen 4 different type of report we can generate: PDF, XML, which is a JUnit format XML, HTML and CSV. As of now we have executed test suite. If you go for test suite collection execution, so here we have a test suite collection, and I have 2 test suites here running on the different browsers. So if you go for execution of the test suite collection, after the collection execution, again it's going to generate report of complete collection. So let it execute, then I'll show you. It will take some time in the execution, so I'm just pausing in between. Once execution is done, here we have collection, and that's a report. Again, you can where you want to save it, so I'm saving here in API folder with the name Katalon Report Collection. Just saved. So report is saved, and here we are getting two. In this we have two test suite. So if you check it and if you click on that, you'll get the result. And here it is failed, so it's showing the failure, reason of the failure as well. So here it is showing failure. So here we have seen how we can generate report and what all the formats we can use while exporting Katalon Studio reports. That's all we have. Thanks for watching this video.